In this lecture, you're going to learn the SEO factor time on site. What is time on site? Let me explain you through this image. Let's assume that a visitor enters at 10 a.m. into the home page of your website. Then at 10:01 he is going to page 4 and at 10:02 he is coming back to page 2. Then at 10:05 am he is moving to page 3 and then at 10:07 am he is moving to page 5. Let's assume that he is exiting your website at 10:10 am. Then the time span that he spent on your website from the home page till page 5 will be assumed as the time spent on your site. This is another example. Let's assume that a visitor is visiting your page 1 at 0 time and then he is moving from page 1 to page 2 at 10 seconds. Then he is exiting the page 2 at 1 minute 25 seconds and then moving to page 3 at the same time. Then he is making an event, that is, he may interact with any of the interactive elements that is present on your website, such as he may share your post on any social networks, or he may enter a comment, or he may vote on any polls, or stuffs like that. But we couldn't track when he closed your page or your website or his browser itself. In that case, the time span of 0 second to the time when the event occurred on the page 3, that is 2 minutes 38 seconds, will be taken as the time spent on your site in total, whereas the time spent on page 3 will be calculated as 2 minutes 38 seconds minus 1 minute 25 seconds, which comes to 1 minute 13 seconds. So this is how we derive the time spent on a page and also the time spent on site. In this example, we said that the exiting time was unknown, but sometimes the exit time will be computed by Google. For example, when the user click the back button to the Google search page from any of your pages on your website, or if he closes your website tab or your website window, or if he closes the browser altogether, then that time will be taken as the exit time. Now let's come to the research. Here the average time on site for top 3 search results is 121 seconds. So this 121 seconds doesn't mean time spent on a page. This 121 seconds is time spent on entire site. So it could be divided between multiple number of pages. And the time on site for the top 10 search results is of 100 seconds in average, which is a significant difference of around 20 to 21 seconds. Here you can also see there is a correlation of 0.09, or we can also say it as 9%, which denotes that the difference between first search result to another search result's time on site is 9% significant. You should remember one thing: a user searching for an election result or exam result or even a sports result will spend lesser time on search results or on websites compared to those who search for booking a movie, a holiday, a hotel, or who is purchasing a product or researching a topic. So this is how time spent on site varies from category of websites to another category. How to improve the time spent on site? We will see that in the upcoming lectures. In the next lecture, let's see what is bounce rate and how it acts as a search engine ranking factor.